Hi, Proof of Review here, back again with another review. As always, what we do say is not to be taken as financial advice, it's purely for educational purposes. Now, today we're going to take a look at DMME, which describes itself as the next generation of mobile messaging. They've created a safe, secure, and anonymous app, and that app is now in beta. If we scroll down the website, which is clear and concise, there's lots of information telling you about this app, about its security, about how it's anonymous, so only the data is accessible to you, how you got full control of who you speak to, and you don't need a phone number to sign up as well. A few things like the rewards and subscriptions are not there yet in the app, it's only a beta, but we're looking forward to testing those as the app developments continue. So over on the roadmap, it leads up to Q1 of 20, and we can see that they have hit every mark on this. So the team are really going ahead with the developments of this app. As you can see there, we're at Q1 20 and the app is launched, and that's what we're going to take a look at today. But just quickly, the token supply at the moment is 16 million. Now that's going to be introduced into the app in future to allow P2P payments. And holders of the token will also receive dividends when the subscription plan for the app is set up and live. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the app. Okay, so we've got the app loaded up and we're presented with the login screen. It's in dark mode. This is the only mode available at the moment, but it's the kind of look I like anyway. So you can go ahead and log in, or at the bottom we're going to click the create a new account button. So let's start adding our accounts. Security donor initialization complete. Okay, so we can go ahead and sign up. So straight away we've been assigned some kind of monster as our initial logo, and we're presented with the home screen. What I'm now going to do is load up the second app, and then we can start having a conversation between the two. Okay, so I'm logged in with both phones now. You can see on the left I have my first account, on the right I have my second account. So I'm going to search for my second account with my first, and I'll search by the username. However, I think it's actually email address, but let's try. Yep, so let me put the email address in. Okay, there we go. So now that user I'm going to start a chat with and say hi. There we go. So immediately you can see that I have received a message. So let's go in and read it. And now continue to have a slightly tedious conversation. Excellent. So there we go. We've got two accounts created and we've started our chat. Now notice I didn't have to actually verify my email address, so I just didn't use real ones for these accounts. I'm not sure if that's something that's going to remain. However, let's see if we can share an image. Excellent, that worked just fine. And we'll share an image back. Excellent, so I've had a conversation. Let's go back out into the main screen. And let's see what options we can have on our actual account. So I can change my nickname. I can set to do not disturb, show previews, or get group channel notifications. I can then go and delete that conversation so that it's no longer available. Now that doesn't actually remove from the screen yet, but I assume they will fix that in an upcoming release. But that is now a conversation that's been lost. I can then go and start another conversation with the same person, and it will start a new conversation. So here's my new conversation. Okay, so we can obviously go and change our photo as well, but I quite like these photos, so we'll stick with those for now. And at the moment, it's just created for that simple P2P messaging, and it works really well with an easy to use interface. There obviously are some improvements I will be suggesting to the DMME team as we go forward. But here we've proved that the application works. You can hold conversations with your friends by searching by email. You can share messages or images, and then you can delete that conversation so it's gone from both people as soon as you've finished. So in summary, we've tested a very early version of the app, but it does work, and you can download it now and use it for anonymous P2P messaging. So why don't you give it a go? And well done to the DMME team for delivering that. I'm looking forward to when the P2P payment function is available, ready to test that, as I'm sure everyone will be tipping like mad over it. I'm also looking forward to testing the group conversations as well. And I'd just like to disclose, in true Mocho style, I have a bag. Thank you very much, and tune in next time. See you later.